Former Chief Minister of Karnataka, H.D. Kumaraswamy, accused Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai of acting like a puppet of a particular organization. His statements come amidst a raging political battle over the recent line of events by right-wing groups against non-Hindus in the state.
Our Chief Minister is a puppet of particular organizations. On their direction, he is running the government.
You think he's trying to please them way too much?
Yeah, definitely. To safeguard his seat, whatever they are giving direction, he is taking decision. Where is the decision of this government about this development? Who have called for boycott the halal mutton? What is the responsibility of this government?
No statements, sir.
No specific decision taken by this government about all these developments. Where they will going to stand in future days.
The government minister, especially Home Minister, is saying that these are the repercussions faced because the community people have protested against hijab. Instead of sending across some kind of assurance to the people,
no, whether it is a Home Minister or the government, their responsibility to protect all 6 crore 50 lakhs people in this state.
Yes.
All community they have to protect. This is government responsibility.
But they say,
by protecting one community, they cannot run the government.
But they say it's a reaction to the actions, sir.
So will this only increase during the elections? Next 1 year it will only increase
For
more?
that reason only they are doing like this. For this actually they will pay in a big way, Karnataka people, they will not agree this kind of development.
They'll reject BJP,
I know,
you say.
200% this BJP government, Karnataka people going to throw it to dustbin.
Sir, in assembly